What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Empire Gaming. Today I'm going to take you through an easy 3x3 tutorial video. Now, as you can see, very quick opening, very quick closing. Now this can work with not just a lever, it can work with keycard reader, like my first video. You should check it out. It can work with a button, but then it'd go back in after. I wouldn't recommend. But something that can keep it on for forever, that would be recommended. How this works, the lever, sorry, I just had a brain fart, takes redstone, it powers redstone, takes it up here, through here, and here, this is a double piston extender. This is attached to the slime block, which is also attached to the door. This will fire first, bringing the slime block back. This will fire, taking this piston back, but that piston will not take the slime block with it. Then this piston will fire again to take it back, and then the door will be open. Then this is actually my own design, so spent a good 20 minutes on it, so very pleased with it in the end. Not the most aesthetic on the inside, but you can really connect it to anything. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.